Today I'm going to show you how to drain a mud hole so you can allow it to dry enough to be able to work on it. So you can kind of tell the ground is dry here. On the right side it's holding water, and on the left side it's holding water. And bringing a skid steer or another piece of equipment is just either A, going to get it muddy, or it's going to get stuck. Especially in a place like this on a skid steer, because on a skid steer the ground clearance is not exactly tall enough to be able to back out of a place like this without actually making a complete mess. And that's if you're able to push yourself out of a place like this. So how I'm going to make this happen is I've got my hose over in a low spot that will drain away from this, and I have it tied into a bilge pump, B-I-L-G-E, and I have a piece of camo netting. Since this is going into some mud, I don't want the actual pump to get clogged up. And then now I can unravel these jumper cables, or I can just plug them on, and I'll show you what I'm doing here. But this is all you would need to get started. Plus you will need either a rubber band to hold this on, or a piece of tape will work too. Put that on there like that. Oh, there's a leaf in there. Real nice and simple. That seems to be the lowest, or one of the lowest places in this major mud hole here. So what I'll do next is hook it up. Now all we have to do is turn this on and it'll start pumping. That is a good flow of water right there, and it's draining right down in there where it's out of the way.